गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सध्याची बाहेरची परिस्थिती बघता लॉकडाऊन कधी संपेल सांगू शकत नाही. पुण्यातली सिच्युएशन बघता हे जूनपर्यंत सुद्धा जाऊ शकतो लॉकडाऊन. सो मी तुम्हाला आता प्रॉपर प्लॅनिंग सांगते की आपण ह्या लॉकडाऊनच्या पिरियडमध्ये नक्की काय करणार आहोत. सो आपण 12वीचा न्यू सिलेबसप्रमाणे पार्ट 1 सुरू करत आहोत. त्यातला फर्स्ट चॅप्टर मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिक. ठीक आहे. सो मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिक हा चॅप्टर मी तुम्हाला व्हिडिओद्वारे शिकवणार आहे. तुम्हाला आठवड्यातून 2 व्हिडिओ मी सेंड करत राहील. ठीक आहे. आता तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, ऑलरेडी मी तुम्हाला 12वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकची PDF ग्रुपवरती सेंड केलेली आहे. सो तुमचं काम काय आहे आता की जेव्हा मी हे व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला सेंड करेल तुम्ही ते व्हिडिओ बघायचे. जर तुम्हाला त्या व्हिडिओमध्ये काही डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही मला पर्सनली कॉल करून किंवा मेसेजद्वारे तुमचे डाऊट क्लिअर करून घेऊ शकता. आता करायचे काय आहे, तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ बघायचा आहे, टेक्स्टबुक घ्यायचंय PDF, ते एकदा रीड करायचंय. आणि मी मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिक ह्या चॅप्टरची PPT सुद्धा ग्रुपवरती सेंड केलेली आहे. सो ती PPT, त्यानंतर आपलं टेक्स्टबुक आणि हा व्हिडिओ, ठीक आहे, या तिघांचा रेफरन्स घेऊन तुम्ही आता अभ्यास करायचा आहे. हे मी का सांगतेय, कारण आता आपण जे काही ऑनलाईन शिकणार आहोत व्हिडिओद्वारे, त्याची कॉलेज आपलं सुरू झाल्यानंतर त्याची टेस्ट होणार आहे किंवा मी ऑनलाईन टेस्ट सुद्धा घेऊ शकते ज्याचे तुमचे मार्क्स कन्सिडर केले जातील. आणि याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला एक होमवर्क पण आहे. तुम्ही आता सर्वांनी लगेच मॅथमॅटिक्सची नोटबुक बनवायची आहे पार्ट 1 साठी. त्याच्यामध्ये मी जे जे शिकवत राहील त्याच्या नोट्स काढायच्या आहेत. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी जर मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिक हा चॅप्टर शिकवला तर पहिले आपण कन्सेप्ट बघणार आहोत स्टेटमेंट, त्याच्यानंतर त्या स्टेटमेंटची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू. मग सर्वांनी काय करायच्या, त्याच्या नोट्स काढायच्या. स्टेटमेंटची पहिल्यांदा डेफिनेशन लिहायची, त्याचे 1-2 एक्झाम्पल लिहायचे जे तुम्हाला समजेल ते. ठीक आहे. आणि एक्झाम्पल ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही नोट डाऊन कराल तर तुमच्या स्वतःचे मला एक्झाम्पल हवे. ठीक आहे. मी जे एक्झाम्पल सांगते तेच एक्झाम्पल किंवा टेक्स्टबुक मधले एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही त्या नोट्समध्ये लिहायचे नाहीये. तुम्ही तुमच्या मनाने तुम्हाला जे समजलं आहे तसे तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल लिहायचे. ठीक आहे. चुकलं तर चुकू द्या, मी नंतर तुम्हाला त्यामध्ये करेक्शन सांगेन. सो हे आपलं प्लॅनिंग असणार आहे. काय करणार आहे, मी आठवड्यातून 2 वेळा तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ सेंड करणार आहे. त्यामध्ये तुम्ही टेक्स्टबुक घ्यायचंय, व्हिडिओ घ्यायचा किंवा ती PPT तुम्हाला जसं वाटेल तसं, त्याच्याद्वारे तुम्ही आपली नोटबुक तयार करा मॅथ्सची. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही तुमच्या नोट्स तयार करायचे. ठीक आहे. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ माय व्हिडिओज अँड PDF टेक्स्टबुक. आणि याच्यावरती तुमची एक्झाम होणार आहे. सो बी सिरियस. ओके. So let us start our first chapter, that is mathematical logic. In part 1 there total are 7 chapters. Now we learn the first chapter, mathematical logic. As we know, mathematics is a logical subject and tries to be exact. Okay, so for exactness it is requires proof which is depend upon proper reasoning. Okay, ठीक है. So in this chapter first upon see the concept, that is the statement. Correct. So what is the statement? So first upon we see statement. Okay, so what is the statement? Listen carefully. A statement is a sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Okay, this is called as a statement. What I said, a statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Now we write this definition. What is statement? A statement is a sentence. A statement is a sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Okay, this is called as a statement. Okay, so what is that? A statement is a sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. This is called as a statement. So simply statement is a sentence. Okay, so we underline this word, that is the sentence, and that sentence has either true or false value but not both simultaneously. Okay, and statement is denoted by, so it is denoted by our alphabets, that is P, Q, R, etc. Okay, small p, small q and small r. So statement is denoted by our small letters P, Q, R, etc. Okay, now we take one example. For example, suppose we take 2 is an even number. Okay, we take this first example. So in this example, what we take, 2 is an even number. So this is a sentence. Now we have to check that this given sentence is a statement or not. Okay, this is our aim. So what is our aim? We have to check this given sentence is a statement or not. What I told you, what is the statement? Statement is a sentence, correct? So it is a sentence but which is having either true or false value, but not both simultaneously. So this is our given statement. So this statement, this is our given sentence. So this sentence is statement or not, that we have to check it. Okay, so means this sentence has either true or false value. If this sentence has either true or false value, then we say that this given sentence is what? Statement. So 2 is an even number. Everybody knows that 2 क्या है? 2 is a even number. So therefore the given sentence has which value? Either true value. Therefore this is what? So therefore given sentence is a statement. Correct? That's why we called this given sentence is a statement. Means what we have to check? Just we have to check the given sentence has either true or false value. लेकिन simultaneous होगी क्या value? नहीं. Only it is either true or false. We take another example, that is example number 2. Suppose we take another example. Close the door. Okay. Close the door. Okay. Now we have to check that this given sentence is a statement or not. Correct? So this given sentence is what? Close the door. Now in English you guys already learned close the door and here exclamatory marks. So given sentence is exclamatory marks, exclamatory sentence. So therefore close the door, it has either true or false value? No, it is just normal sentence. So therefore this sentence is not statement. So given sentence is not a statement. Okay, so this is the statement. Now third example, suppose we take the third example, 5 into 2 which is equal to 11. Correct? We take this example. So 5 into 2 becomes how much here? 10, which is equal to 11. But is it 10 equal to 11? Not. So 10 is not equal to 11. So therefore it is what? It is a statement. Why it is statement? Because this given sentence जो है, this given sentence में क्या है? 5 into 2 becomes 10, but 10 is not equal to 11. So therefore the given statement has which value? Truth value, false value. Therefore it is what? It is a statement. Correct? So everybody clear that what we have to check? Just we have to check that given sentence has either true or false value. If it has either true or false value, then we directly say that the given sentence is a statement. Okay, so this is our statement. So everybody clear that what is the difference between statement and sentence? We have to just check. How we check the given sentence is a statement? Just we have to check that the given sentence has either true or false value. Okay, so these are our 3 examples. Now we have to see the next point, that is what? 1 minute. Okay, now we have to see the next point, that is the truth value of a statement. So let us start our new point, that is the truth value of a statement. Okay, so everybody clear that what is the statement? Now what we have to see? We have to see what is the truth value of statement. So already I told you statement is a sentence which is having either true or false value. So each statement has either true or false value. Correct that? And that's value is called as its what? truth value. That's value is called as a truth value. So each statement is either true or false, then that true or false value becomes its what? Truth value. Okay, so what we write here, each statement is either true or false. करेक्ट, each स्टेटमेंट इज आइदर ट्रू और, क्योंकि स्टेटमेंट की डेफिनेशन यही है कि जो सेंटेंस दिया होता है उसकी वैल्यू क्या चाहिए? आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स होना चाहिए. सो एवरी स्टेटमेंट हैज आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स वैल्यू. तो उसमें हम क्या देखेंगे? फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इफ अ स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. ओके, इफ अ स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, then what is the truth value of that statement? Then its truth value is true. Okay, its truth value क्या होगी? उसकी truth value is true and it is denoted by capital T. Okay, but now we see the previous example, that is first example. 2 is an even number. Okay, so we check that this given sentence is what? Our statement, because the value of this sentence is either true or false. We get this value is what? True. Therefore the given sentence is a statement, and what is the truth value of this first statement? It is what? True. So therefore we write here what is the truth value. So here we directly write down the truth value of this statement is what? 2, and we write it as what? Capital T. Clear? Now what is our second point? If a statement is false, then its truth value is false. Okay, if given statement is false, then what is its truth value? Its truth value becomes false, and it is denoted by what? It is denoted by capital F. Clear this? So now again we see the second previous example, that is what we write here. No, we cannot take this second example because this is not a statement. So if this is ये स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं है तो उसकी कौन सी भी वैल्यू नहीं होगी, ट्रू और फॉल्स भी नहीं होगी. सो नाउ वी take the next example, that is 5 into 2, which is equal to how much here? 11. Correct this? So 5 into 2 becomes 10. So this is what? This is our statement. And what is its value? What is its truth value? It is false, because 10 is not equal to 11. Therefore what is the truth value of this statement? Therefore the truth value, which is equal to what here? False. Correct? So these are the truth values of this statement. Okay, so each statement कैसे पहचानेंगे हम कि जो सेंटेंस दिया होता है उसकी क्या होनी चाहिए? आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स वैल्यू होना चाहिए. करेक्ट? सो इफ अ स्टेटमेंट इज अ ट्रू, देन इट्स ट्रूथ वैल्यू इज ट्रू, and if our statement is false, then its truth value becomes false. It is denoted by capital T. If statement has true, then if statement is true, then its truth value becomes capital T, and if statement is false, then its truth value becomes capital F. Okay, etc. Now we see the one question, that is the following sentence are statement or not. Okay, so we check first, write down the question. What is our question number first? That is the following sentences are statements or not, and also write down its truth value. Okay, what is our question? Question is what? Following sentences are the statement or not, and also write down its truth value. So first upon we take first example, that is first example we take, just 2 minutes. Okay, we take first example, that is 6 into 4 which is equal to 25, and second example is x plus 6 which is equal to 9. These are our two examples. What is our question? Following sentences are the statement or not, and also write down its truth value. I already told you what is the statement and what is its truth value. Okay, so statement क्या होता है? Simply the statement is a sentence which is either true or false. If statement is true, then what is its truth value? It becomes true. It is noted by capital T. Okay, and if our statement is false, then its truth value is false and it is noted by capital F. So now we see the first example, 6 into 4 which is equal to 25. So this is the given sentence, okay, in mathematical language. So 6 into 4 becomes, it is how much? 24, which is equal to 25, but we know that 24 is not equal to 25, means what? This given sentence is a statement and its value becomes how much here? False. So therefore we write down here the given sentence is what? Statement, and its truth value is false. Correct? एग्जाम में हमें ऐसा सॉल्यूशन लिखना है. करेक्ट? सो देयरफॉर दिस गिवन सेंटेंस इज अ स्टेटमेंट. what is truth value? It becomes false. We take now, we see the another example, x plus 6 which is equal to 9. करेक्ट? सो ये क्या है? तो x plus 6 which is equal to 9. So we have to check that here x plus 6 which is equal to 9. So this is equal to 9. ये जो सेंटेंस है, ये सेंटेंस को कोई कंडीशन रहेगी. करेक्ट? तो कैसी कंडीशन? सो दिस गिवन सेंटेंस इज अ स्टेटमेंट. ओके, इज अ स्टेटमेंट. ओके, एंड इट्स ट्रूथ वैल्यू इज ट्रू इफ x इक्वल टू हाउ मच हियर? 3. ओके, एंड स्टेटमेंट इज false when x is not equal to 3. Correct this? So this is the given sentence is a statement, but its truth value is true when it is true if x equal to 3, and if when it is false if x is not equal to 3. Okay, now we take another example, that is next example. So third example, what are you doing? We just again we see the third example, what are you doing? Correct this? So in this what are you doing, we have to check that this sentence is a statement or not. So this given sentence is not statement. Why it is not statement? Because हमें पता नहीं है इसकी वैल्यू ट्रू है या फॉल्स है, क्योंकि ये यस और नो टाइप का क्वेश्चन हो गया. करेक्ट? सो रिमेंबर, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क वाले जो सेंटेंस होते हैं, ये सारे सेंटेंस क्या नहीं होते? दीज आर नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट. ओके, सो देयरफॉर अगर ये स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं है तो उसकी कोई ट्रूथ वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट होगी क्या? नो. सो देयरफॉर द गिवन सेंटेंस इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट एंड इट हैज नो द ट्रूथ वैल्यू. ओके, now we see the next example, that is the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 has two real roots. Okay, we have to check that this sentence is statement or not. The quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 has a two real roots. Okay, तो हमें ये चेक करना है जो गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है उसके जो रूट्स आते हैं वो रियल है क्या नहीं, क्योंकि हमें ये पता है इसकी डिग्री अगर 2 है तो उसके रूट भी कितने होंगे? 2 होंगे. ठीक है, तो एक समझ में आया कंडीशन, क्योंकि डिग्री 2 है, जितनी डिग्री होती है उतने क्या होते हैं? रूट्स होते हैं. लेकिन ये नहीं हो सकता कि ये जो रूट्स है वो रियल ही होंगे. करेक्ट दिस? सो वी हैव टू चेक दैट दीज रूट्स आर रियल और नॉट. सपोज दीज रूट्स आर, अगर हमने इसके रूट्स फाइंड किए, ओके, और फाइंड करने के बाद अगर ये रूट्स हमें रियल मिले तो हम क्या बता सकते हैं कि दिस गिवन सेंटेंस इज अ स्टेटमेंट बट इट्स ट्रूथ वैल्यू इज व्हाट? ट्रू. अगर रियल आए तो, अगर नहीं आए तो क्या बताएंगे हम कि ये जो गिवन सेंटेंस है इट इज अ स्टेटमेंट बट इट्स ट्रूथ वैल्यू बिकम्स हाउ मच? false. Okay, so we check that. So we consider this sentence equation, x square minus 5x plus 6 which is equal to 0. Find out root. We want two numbers जिसका product कितना है 6 है and addition becomes how much minus 5. So we want these two numbers, multiplication becomes 6 and addition becomes minus 5. So 3 2s are 6, so we get multiplication, that is product becomes 6, but addition how much here becomes plus 5, but we want here minus 5. So here we give negative sign that both numbers. So what we get, minus 3 into minus 2 becomes plus 6 because minus minus become plus in a multiplication. दोनों की एडिशन करो, माइनस 3 प्लस माइनस 2 becomes minus 5. So what we get, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. We take from this x as a common, so we get x minus 3. From this we take minus 2 as a common. What are the remaining things? X minus 3 which is equal to 0. So we get x minus 3 into x minus 2 which is equal to 0. Therefore we get x equal to 3 or x equal to 2. और ये 3 and 2, these are which number? These are the real number. 2 and 3 are the real number. Therefore the quadratic equation has a 2 roots. Okay, दो roots हमें मिले और वो roots कौन से है? Real है. That's why this given sentence is a statement. Given sentence is a statement and its truth value is what? True. Correct? So this is our today's topic, that is statement and the truth values of this statement. So just we have to remember these two things. What is statement? So these are our today's two topics, that is what? Statement and the truth values of statement. So we have to just remember that what is the statement? Statement is nothing but it is what? Statement is nothing but it is what? It is a sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously, and it is denoted by P, Q, R, etc. What is that? Suppose this is P. This is what? P is nothing but it is what? Statement. We call this is Q. This is what? R. Okay, like this. So first statement is what? 2 is an even number. So why it is a statement? Because it is universal proof that what? 2 is a even number. So this sentence has one value, that is either it is true or false. So this sentence has a true value. That's why it is a statement. And what is its truth value? It becomes true. So these are our statement and the truth values of the statement.